What's up, guys? Welcome back to Japan. Today's video is gonna be awesome. I'm here with Chris and David. If you guys have been watching, you know Chris got this really clean Evo 5. David, right there, is a friend of mine from, we lived together or near each other in Idaho, and then we lived next door neighbors in Korea, and now he's here in Japan with me too, so pretty awesome. But we're gonna go pick up his super clean R34 wide body GTT. Wait till you see it, it's freaking awesome. Let's get started. Oh, I love this car so much. Dang. Peep the Godzilla and Tuck sticker. Appreciate it, Chris. That's awesome. Man, such a good looking car. So, David's R34 GTT, really clean, awesome wheels. When we went to pick it up yesterday from the port, he had some really bad news. Something so unbelievable happened that you guys won't believe until you see it. It's crazy. One of the wheels fell off somehow. So we're gonna see what we can do to fix it, try to get it limped home. Don't worry, the people the shippers and stuff are paying for all the damages and things. He just wants it back in his possession. So we're gonna go get some new lug nuts, some new studs, and see if we can do the swap in the port itself. So these Celicas, what do you guys think? Do you think the driver of this is a chick or a dude? What do you think, Chris?
I'm saying it's a dude.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a dude.
You think it's a dude? Absolutely. I'm gonna go chick because it's typically a chick's car. So once we pass them, we'll see. I'm curious. I think it's a dude. Oh, it's a dude. Oh, well, I guess it's at least not a second gen Eclipse, right? Check out the SW20 MR2. Oh, Supra. That's a really nice one. And a Mark X. Dang, we already saw Integra Type R and 2 GTRs. Oh, there's a Chaser. No car spotting. Altezza. Minivan for you guys that like minivans. I just want to know who parked all these airplanes here. That one blends in, you can't see it, it's wearing camouflage. Integra Type R. As far as I can zoom in, sorry guys. Check out the zombie killer, the Delica. And there's R33 GTR up there. We're gonna see if we can catch them. Dang. Looks like that GTR is going down 23. Who is that? It's midnight purple with some. Oh, it's midnight purple with some aftermarket wheels. I can't tell. It's close. I can zoom in. Unfortunately. But, so we're at Stark's real fast, picking up some new lugs for the R34, and check out this Soarer though. Nice big front mount, aftermarket staggered wheels. Looks really, really good. So we're leaving Stark's. This caught my eye. Check out this wild Jaguar. Sitting, I'm assuming. I mean, it's got to be on bags. It is so low. Tuck in the front. I mean, it's been sitting here for a while. Everything's all stained up. The paint's all faded. Nice off-white leather interior. That thing is pretty freaking cool. Really cool to mob around town with one of these things. I'm sure it's really comfortable. Got a big V8 in it. The Advan advertising car with the Advan wheels. That's pretty cool. So at Stark's, we picked up these new lugs. Look how little these guys are. Super low profile for the R34. Wait till you see what happened. It's crazy. Lug key. Stark's is the real MVP today. All these are pretty affordable. I got the Honda Integra Type S. You can get it next to them. Big bump. Sugoi! That's awesome.
You caught him off guard.
Yeah, he was like, oh, Sugoi is. Check out the graphics on this MX-5. Dang, that's pretty cool. Yo, check it out. We just got to the port, and there's some seriously awesome cars. Got the old 4-door Skyline, got the FD, and a really nice M5 for the Euro dudes. These cars are so, look at this thing. What? God, old Kid Mary. Skyline, the Watanabe's and the Toyo Proxy and the over fenders. That shit looks so good. Really clean FDRX7. David's talking to the workers. Oh snap, there it is. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh, check out the E86 up on top. That's crazy. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. So I assume we should park right next to it.
Do we know what kind of wheels it has?
Yep, those are working motions. But check out the R34 GTT. It is wide bodied, sitting on some blue working motions. Beautiful car. But wait till you see what happened in shipping. Oh my gosh. So if you think about what's happening, the way the car's sitting, we have one of the wheels sitting right here. I've never seen this happen in shipping. It does have a nice titanium exhaust, but unfortunately, somehow in shipping, the wheel came off, destroyed the fender, destroyed the side skirt. I've never seen anything like this before. One of the lugs snapped off the top one there. And right now we're just seeing if, make sure the studs aren't too damaged to try to get this tire back on and limp it home. We tried to get some lugs at Stark's and they were, or I'm sorry, tried to get some studs at Stark, but they were sold out. Oh my gosh. Absolutely heartbreaking. I know David, he was so excited to come pick the car up and he saw this and he was just absolutely blown away. But it's gotta be the first time I've ever seen that. But can we take a moment to actually admire the car other than obviously the wheel falling off in transit? Check out the Z-Tune fenders. Obviously the replicas because they are fiberglass. Working motion wheels in the blue with the titanium exhaust, the V-spec style rear bumper. You can see it's all been converted to look like a GTR with the wide body rear fenders as well. Rocking the kanji plates. So the difference is, so this is owned by a Japanese guy. You can see that first character is kanji. On us, because of our agreement with the government, we will have a regular Y there. So, but it's crazy. They're trying to figure this out. Real quick, check out the interior though. Got the Recaro confettis, Momo wheel. It looks to be in pretty good shape. Other than that, aftermarket pedals. Man, but we're really concerned about getting the wheel back on the car, getting it home and doing all the necessary repairs. Look, the front bumper looks really nice. Really nice looking car. So what they're gonna do is take this forklift and scoop it up under the side of the car and pick it up and then move it over here, and we're gonna put a jack under it so we can see if we can work on getting the studs replaced, or at least get the wheel on and limp it home. Drive real slow. We're not too far from the house, so we got all the tools in the Evo. Oh man, I'll pick you guys back up in a second when we figure out what's going on. So we can't get the big jack. We brought a big floor jack here. Obviously it's too low, so we use the portable jack in the trunk to lift up a little bit. They're gonna take the forklift, it's right there, and scoop it all the way from the bottom. Try not to damage anything. I'm extremely nervous. It's not even my car. Oh my goodness. All right, the moment of truth. Oh dear Lord. But I got faith in these guys. This is what they do literally every day. These guys are pros, they know what they're doing, so I think we're gonna be all right. Man, they're talking about something. Like, probably discussing if they just put it on the forklift and drive away as fast as they can and keep it for themselves. Oh, you nervous, David? Dude, we've been here for like 30 minutes discussing how to do this. It's pretty crazy. This is a really good looking tire though. Good looking wheel, I mean. Love the blue with the white. I saw pictures of it and I was kind of like, what? It's a good looking car, man. Just carry around that A86. That's pretty dope, man. I want one. We're doing the one last, making sure it fits kind of thing. Makes me nervous. Go slow. Where's the lugs? Yeah, the lugs?
I have one lug.
Where's the bag? Oh, gotta get the lugs on the car. Forgot the lugs. I got them. God.
The winch.
Should be the 19. 19? I think so. Grab the whole box. $20? Oh, dang. Surprise. But you can see the damage done by the tire when it came off. I think it actually messed up the wheel as well. See all those scratches?
The inside's pretty rough too.
Yeah. I put it on the ratchet. All wheels are on, or 4 out of the 5 lugs are on. Oh man. He's lowering it. Checking everything, make sure it looks good. God, the car looks so nice and mean though. Look at that. I can't wait to get this thing. We have to lower it. You can see it's sitting in the 4-wheel drive status right now. Just to get it on the container because it was so low they had to raise it up. That's where all this stemmed from. So what happened was, originally he contacted David and he said, hey man, the car's too low. Actually no, it started from this. Hey man, your coilovers are squeaking. We're gonna upgrade you to some new TNs. So we got the new TNs on there, and then I took it to the port and it was too low. So they said, okay, we'll take it back. We'll lift it for you. I think what happened was when they did the actual suspension adjustments, somebody put the wheel on and didn't tighten it all the way down. Maybe they just had them hand tied on there a little bit, and whenever they rolled it back to get, you know, on and off the container, it obviously fell off and, you know, broke everything that you guys saw. So I know David, he's been waiting for this thing for like a month. All the Japanese holidays, and had to come from mainland. There's a lot of stuff going on. He's been really patient, and the guys that he bought it from have done a good job of taking care of him. Right now they're torquing the wheels on, just trying to get it home, you know, just to replace all the studs anyway. But I know David's finally happy to have it. So we're gonna do some rolling shots, do some sound tests, pop the hood, really show you guys the car. I thought it was an interesting thing that you guys might want to see. So thanks for coming along with us today. Arigato, thank you. But it's on. Yeah, man, the thing looks mean. Yeah, it's not coming off ever. Wow. What do you guys think though? Do you guys like the blue work wheels with the white? I mean, I think the blue looks really good. Contrasts really well, and then you got the titanium exhaust, V-spec style rear bumper. I know he already said he wants to upgrade the factory GTT wing to the GTR wing. And don't worry guys, he's not going to be putting GTR badges on this, so he will not be up badging. He just wants it to make it look really nice. I mean, it's beautiful as it is already. He got a really good deal. Like I said before, the guys they bought it from, I mean, things happen and they're taking care of it. They're making it right. They're paying for all the damages and all the stuff like this. So it's unfortunate, but people make mistakes, and you shouldn't bash them. You know, I'm not gonna bash them for something that could honestly happen to anybody, unfortunately, you know. But man, that front end looks so mean with the Z-Tune fenders. God, I think I need an R34. What do you guys think? We're about to do the first startup. Hear this titanium exhaust. I'm really excited. That's pretty cool. See, the wide body cars, typically when you open the gas tank, it hits the fender. So yeah, do a little cutout so it misses the wide body. Man, really cool. Arigato, thank you, bye-bye. Those dudes are really cool. They checked out my channel. They said they're gonna subscribe. So appreciate it, guys. Thanks for the support. Oh, you ready, David? All right, so first startup. I know David's excited. I can't wait to hear it. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah. Woo, she purrs, man. That's a good sound. I can't wait to actually hear it under load and stuff. It has the HKS blow valve on it. I read some of the mod lists. It sounds really good. No noises. So right now, you can barely hear this car idling. This engine sounds really nice. No weird noises, no belts. There's no smoke on startup. Really good.
Yeah, Family Mart Lawson.
Yes, Fam Mart. Let's get Fam Mart first. It's on the way. So I bet this is David's first time driving a stick in a while because his Evo is in the States right now. I guarantee he's about to stall us out. Oh man, that Carly's mean. Let's let him go first. Oh, crank this AC up. It's hot. It's hot in here, guys. All right. Oh, he didn't stall. I am blown away. Man, I think it looks good rolling. All right, we're gonna turn around. You're good. He's not picking it up yet. Oh, we almost got run over by this forklift in the Mini. Sorry. Sorry. And now the 86 is back over here again. What is going on? Oh yeah, look at that shot. Look at that view. Look at that R34 following us. Being wide body. But Chris drank a C4 energy drink and a Dr. Pepper and a bottle of water, and now he has to pee really bad. So we're gonna head to the Family Mart because we got to go. Maybe grab some snacks, some Fami Chicky. Camaro, I got a Panamera and an Abarth. I saw two Sylvias back there. I wasn't allowed to go inside and film, but there's that FD RX-7 again and that Skyline. Whew. Dang, I can't stop looking at it. Woo! Woo! A Sugoi! And the closer you get to base, the more cool cars you see. Here's the GTST right here, R33. Got a GTR wing on it. Anything else? What the heck is that thing? Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know David is super stoked to get his car. He didn't want to be in the video. He was trying to avoid it at all costs. But I know he's super happy. It looks good rolling. We got some work to do to it. We're pretty excited. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.